Welcome to Angie's Attic Care LLC. We are a full-service insulation contractor. Not only do we thoroughly go in and clean that attic, but we sanitize, disinfect, and deodorize with a refreshing scent of eucalyptus, and we do a thorough insulation renewal. We also are a wildlife and pest control company. You need to have your attic included in that. Why? Because you want to make sure that you're feces and rodent-free in that attic. We give you a 3-year guarantee in the entire state of New Jersey. What does that include? If we come back in 2 years and we find any rodents, any feces in there, at no charge, we will re-insulate. That's right, folks, 3 years. And our motto remains the same, where you're treated like family. How do I know? I'm Angie's husband. God bless, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.